Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy with Elliott Wave Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 267. This is on ARKW, which is an ETF. It's the next generation internet ETF, which has a lot of the hot internet stocks, has Tesla, also has some exposure in a roundabout way to Bitcoin, something that we wanted to get involved in for our subscribers. Now this was really interesting. As you can see, we returned 60% in one day, and there was the mark-to-market risk curve. Like them all to be like this. Doesn't always work that way. We've seen plenty of them where we were at a loss for a while before generating the gain. This one just took off immediately. Well, the issue here is the fact that if we look at the charts, the alert was sent out on December 8th. So here's the pattern at the time. We're in a C wave of a zigzag pattern to the upside with 161.8% fib extension target for the initial target at around 153, and then the eventual wave 5 high price around 170. Looking at the DMI, boy, that's a good looking DMI. ADX breaking nicely to the upside, great separation between the two directional indicators, positive directional indicator moving to the upside. Looked really good. So we sent this out as an alert, and then the stock pulled back. The interesting thing though is as the stock pulled back, so down yesterday, back to the upside today, and as you can see, we're still not back to the entry price of where the ETF was trading when we sent out the alert. And yet the options went up significantly in value, allowing that 60% return. So it officially says 1 day, you could call it 2 days, but you know, the 24-hour clock, so we closed it a little bit before the 24-hour ticked over, or would have been a 2-day trade. But this is one of those interesting things where we talk about trading as part technical analysis, part options analysis. And this is where the option side comes into play. So for whatever reason, IV was juiced into the call option. We wanted to go ahead and take that. When you get a gift horse like that, where basically the stock is pulled back just a bit from your entry, but you've got a nice gain, just go ahead and take that and move on. Now, what was the reasoning behind that juice? Well, we'll find out in the coming days or weeks. Maybe the stock's getting ready to explode to the upside, and you can look back and say, hey, from the Monday morning quarterback standpoint, you should have hung around a little bit longer. But I don't think anybody would complain about 60% in just under 2 full days. Hope you found that informative. I'll be back to talk to you again soon. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.